In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add SoundCloud to your Discord status in just a few easy steps. If you're someone who loves sharing your current listening experience with your friends on Discord, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. To begin, we want to set up the PreMiD application, which acts as a bridge between SoundCloud and Discord. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Search. Type in PreMiD into the search bar. Don't worry, it's a simple add-on that will enhance your Discord and SoundCloud experience without a hitch. Once you've conducted the search, you're going to look for a link that's titled PreMiD, Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll be able to download the extension necessary to get everything working smoothly. So go ahead and click on that link to proceed. It's crucial that you ensure you're accessing the official Chrome Web Store to avoid any unwanted or malicious software. With that page open, you'll see the option to add the PreMiD extension to your Chrome browser. Click Add to Chrome, and then confirm by selecting Add Extension on the pop-up that appears. This process will download and install the PreMiD extension onto your browser, which is essential for the next steps. Next, our focus shifts to the PreMiD application itself. You're going to download and install the PreMiD application from the official PreMiD website. Installation is straightforward. Just follow the prompts as they appear. This application is necessary because it's what interacts with both Discord and your web browser to update your status with the music you're listening to. Now, with PreMiD installed, it's time to add the SoundCloud extension through PreMiD's store. Navigate to the PreMiD store on their website, and within the search bar, type SoundCloud. Once it pops up, simply add it. This addition is what links your SoundCloud activity to appear as your Discord status. With everything set up, open SoundCloud in your browser and play any track of your choice. Congratulations! Whatever song you're enjoying will now show up as your status on Discord. It's the perfect way to let others see your music taste in real time. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can easily integrate your SoundCloud experience with Discord. Now, you'll be able to share a part of your day-to-day listening activity effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your newfound skills with friends who'd love to do the same. Happy listening!